what are your skills?
Well, I've had a background of programming in Microsoft Technologies, Visual Basic, Visual C Sharp. When I joined this company, I had extensive training in HTML5, JavaScript, CSS for like the first, I would say, 4 or 5 months. We were also working on some content management systems in which I had to do a lot of HTML and front-end work, basically. But then that helped me come into PhoneGap later on. You understand?
Okay. Now, if I were to hover above you daily and watch your daily process, is there a process that you adhere to every day to stay in the zone, whether it's I have a playlist that I listen to while I code, or
we have some difference of opinion in this office. Some people like to listen to stuff while working. Some people like absolute silence. I'm of the latter type. I like absolute silence while working so that I can completely zone into the work.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, that's. But then there are others who like to just put on a playlist. Which is good, as in they can focus for longer because it's hard to maintain silence in an office.
Yeah. Okay. And are you more productive in the morning or the afternoon?
I am more productive in when there's silence.
Okay, so it's as long as we're silent. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Cool.
Yeah, and my productivity comes more towards the end of the day.
Okay.
So I'm like an afternoon evening person. Okay. So this interview should have been in the afternoon.
In the afternoon, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Around here. And what would you say about your workspace? It has the creative, open concept.
Yeah, again, there's a difference of opinion on that as well.
Okay. What is your opinion on that? Or what would your preference be?
My preference is more, since I'm the silent person, I like cubicles.
You like cubicles?
Yeah,
okay.
I like so that nothing distracts me.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it looks cool. When I joined the company, it was a really cool thing. Oh, I'm working in an office where you can see everyone all the time.
All the time, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are your goals?
Well, I'm a family person. I got a kid and another kid on the way.
Okay, congratulations.
Thanks, yeah. So my goal is mature more in my skills, especially since now our company is focusing on Sitefinity. So my goals are to get more qualified into that because we're getting a lot more and bigger projects in Sitefinity.
Okay.
I did go through some training in PhoneGap, and so hopefully like 2 branches, just focus on these 2 branches. These are my goals.
Okay. Now this is a fun question. Thanks for inserting the personal bit. I have a 2-year-old and of course one on the way. And because technology is such a big part of our family, my 2-year-old is very, very interested in everything. He takes over, our gadgets, cameras, iPads, everything. He wants it all. He wants to Skype, he wants to FaceTime, he wants to Google Hangout, everybody back in America. Do you find that that's the case at home, perhaps?
I would be a very unconventional developer because I'm a traditionalist.
Okay.
So my son's 9 months old.
Okay.
And we avoid any media, any extra stimulants for him.
Oh boy.
So,
okay.
So we're like more Montessori style of.
Okay, got it.
So we don't. We keep things away from him.
That's
so
interesting.
Yeah. So he's just with his little toys, and that too like minimal, and he's happy with it.
Oh, well, that's wonderful. Okay. He'll probably be a calmer young man too.
Yeah. We even avoid sugar. We give him broccoli and peas, and he loves that.
Okay.
If we eat his food, we're like, what are you eating? But then, hopefully, we expect that in the future he he'd be all right with just broccoli
Okay.
and celery.
Well, okay. I'll keep that hope alive for you.